You're welcome to 24-hour fix. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you 7 platforms that are going to actually pay you for live streaming on the platform. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. So I'm not just going to be listing them for you. I'm going to also tell you how you can actually make money from those apps and the payment method available for those apps. So guys, let's dive right into the video. First app I actually have here is known as Tango. Now Tango is just a live streaming app, just like every other live streaming app. On Tango, you need to be a verified streamer, let's say a host, in order for you to make more money on Tango. Now on Tango, you can actually make money by going live. As you can see here on the screen, a lot of people are actually going live on Tango. If this app does not pay, people won't be going live like this. So the ways you can actually earn money on Tango, the number one way is by going live, and people are going to actually send for you visual gifts. Now those visual gifts can be converted into real cash. Now that visual gift can be in form of diamonds. Now 1000 diamonds equal to $5 USD, and the minimum cash out for Tango is $50 to $100. You can actually withdraw your money from Tango. Now let's say you want to withdraw your money from Tango. On Tango, you can withdraw your money through Payoneer, PayPal, local bank accounts. Now you can actually invite people to join you on Tango, and you are going to earn a reward for inviting them as well. So these are the ways you can actually earn money on Tango. It's that simple. So you need to make your own research in order for you to start making use of this app and make the most out of it. So the next I have here is known as Boom Live. Now this is actually a normal music playing app that we use. Now little do some people know that you can actually earn from the app as well. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the live option. If you click on that, you're going to see a lot of people who are currently live streaming. Creating an account on Boom Live is not that difficult. You just need to sign in using your Google account and input your country, region, either you are a female or male. Once you are done doing that, this is what it's going to appear like. So you can actually live stream on the platform, and you're going to earn money by people sending for you visual gifts. You can as well play game on the platform and upload videos on the platform as well. These are the ways you can actually earn money on Boom Live. So you can actually withdraw your money as well on Boom Live using your local bank account, your PayPal, your ePay, and all that. The next app you can actually earn money from is Nikki Live. Now I can't actually talk about all the live streaming platform without mentioning Nikki Live. Nikki Live is one of the most known live streaming platform which actually pays very well. On Nikki Live, registering on Nikki Live is not that difficult. You can actually register and sign in using your Google account. So on Nikki Live, you can actually go live and earn money by people sending for you visual gifts. You can play games on Nikki Live in order to earn money. You can refer people and you're going to earn money as well. And you can actually withdraw your money as well into your local bank account, your ePay, or any account of your choice. So you can actually perform tasks as well on Nikki Live in order to increase your earnings. These are the ways you can actually earn money on Nikki Live. It's that simple. You can go ahead and do your own personal research before diving into the app so you can make the most out of the app. So this is another app that can actually pay you. So the fourth app I have here on my list is Bigo Live. Bigo Live is one of the known live streaming apps as well. So this is my Bigo Live app. I'm going to quickly sign in with my Google. So right here is my Nikki Live app. You can actually earn real money on Bigo Live by going live. As you can see here, a lot of people are actually live streaming on Bigo Live. Trust me, if this app does not actually pay, people are not going to actually be live streaming on this app. You just need to make your own personal research and know how to actually earn for yourself. So this, as you can see here, people are playing PK games, PK battle games, and live streaming, and they are actually receiving visual gifts on their live stream. Now on Bigo, you can actually earn, and the earning is known as beans, and these beans can be converted into real cash. That is the way you can actually earn on Bigo Live. You can as well invite people on Bigo Live to join you on Bigo Live, and you'll be able to withdraw and you'll be able to earn as well. Looking here, you can see wallets. You can actually withdraw your money in form of beans on Bigo Live. So that is the ways you can actually earn on Bigo Live. So this is the fourth app well known to pay you for live streaming on the app. Another one you need to actually take note of is this one, which is called MeYo. I must have heard of MeYo. MeYo is actually a live streaming app as well. As you can see here, a lot of people are actually live streaming on the app. You can see people that are actually live streaming on the app. You can as well upload video on the app as well. You can chat with people on the app as well. So there are several ways you can actually earn money on this app. The earnings you are going to earn from this app is going to be in form of diamonds, and these diamonds can be converted into real cash, and you can withdraw as well into your local bank account or your Payoneer and other payment method available on the platform. So right here you can see where it says invite friends to make money. So you can as well invite friends, and you are going to earn a reward for inviting people to join the platform. So this is it about the MeYo app. The next app I have here is one of my favorites, which is known as Poppo Live. I can't talk about any other live streaming platform without mentioning Poppo Live. Poppo Live is actually one of the best live streaming platforms I've actually known. Now on Poppo Live, there are actually several ways you can actually earn money. You can earn money through live streaming. As you can see here, a lot of people are actually live streaming. You can earn money by playing games. You can earn money by playing BK battles. You can earn money by inviting people. There are actually several ways you can actually earn money on the Poppo Live. Now if you want a well-detailed video on how to earn money on Poppo Live, you can comment down below, and I'm going to make a full video for you on how to make money on Poppo Live. So the next and the last one I have here, which is the seventh one, is known as TikTok. Yes, TikTok is one of the best as well. You can't actually talk about live streaming platform without talking about TikTok. As you can see here, every day people are live streaming on the platform. Now trust me, people won't be live streaming on the platform wasting their time and energy if the platform is not actually paying them. A lot of people are actually live streaming on TikTok. Now in order for you to earn on TikTok, you just need to have 1,000 followers, and you can actually go live on TikTok, and people can send for you gifts, and that gift can be converted into real cash, which is in USD. You can actually withdraw through your Payoneer, your PayPal account, or your local bank account depending on your region. So this is it about TikTok. If you want a well-detailed video as well on how to make money on TikTok or any of this platform I've mentioned in this video, just comment down below on this comment section. I'm going to make a video for you on that. Alright guys, you've come to the very end of this video. Now smash the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.